This video from Health Equals Wellness is for our insomniacs and sleep-deprived friends. Are you tired of staring at the ceiling for hours, desperately wishing for sleep to come? Well, I have a game-changing technique that might revolutionize your bedtime routine. It's called the military sleep method, and it claims to help you fall asleep in just 5 minutes. This isn't just another miracle sleep hack that probably doesn't work. This method was developed for soldiers who needed to fall asleep quickly in less than ideal conditions. If it works for them, it might just work for you too. The science behind quick sleep. Before we go into the details of the method itself, let's explore why falling asleep quickly is so important. When you toss and turn, your mind races and anxiety can build up. This activates your body's stress response, making it even harder to fall asleep. The military sleep method aims to short-circuit this process by rapidly relaxing both your body and mind. It's based on proven relaxation techniques like deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't work immediately. Changing habits takes consistency and time. Here is the breakdown of the military sleep method step by step. Step 1. Relax your face. Start by relaxing all the muscles in your face. Softly close your eyes and release tension at your forehead, then relax the eyebrows and cheeks. Finally, release any tightness in the jaw, allowing the tongue to rest lightly on the roof of the mouth, letting the cheeks and mouth fall into a neutral, relaxed state. Step 2. Drop your shoulders. Soldiers are instructed to consciously drop their shoulders as low as possible. This helps release any tension that might be stored in the muscles, especially if they've been in a heightened state of alertness or stress. Soldiers also focus on relaxing the neck muscles. By letting the shoulders drop, the neck becomes less tense and more at ease. Step 3. Deep breathing. Slow, deep breathing helps to signal the body to relax. Soldiers are trained to take deep breaths, inhaling slowly through the nose while counting 1, 2, 3, and 4 before exhaling gently through the mouth. As they breathe out, they focus on loosening their face even more. Step 4. Relax your body. Once you've relaxed your shoulders and arms, while practicing deep breathing, slowly shift your focus to other parts of your body, relaxing them one at a time. Step 5. Clear your mind. This is often the hardest part. For 10 seconds, try to clear your mind of all thoughts. If that's too difficult, try visualizing a relaxing scene, like a peaceful beach or a quiet forest. Step 6. Repeat, don't think. If you're still having trouble clearing your mind, repeat the phrase "don't think" over and over for about 10 seconds. This may sound too simple, but it has been proven to work. But remember, the key is practice. The more you do it, the more effective it becomes. Your body and mind will start to associate these steps with sleep. Tips for success. To maximize your chances of success with the military sleep method, here are a few extra tips. Tip number 1. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Tip number 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Tip number 3. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bed. The blue light can disrupt your sleep cycle. Tip number 4. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Tip number 5. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime. I've been using this method for the past week, and I've noticed a significant improvement in how quickly I fall asleep. Here's my challenge to you. Try the military sleep method every night for the next week. Keep a sleep journal to track how long it takes you to fall asleep and how you feel in the morning. Share your results in the comments below. I am sure all our viewers would love to hear how it works for you. Remember, good sleep is crucial for your physical and mental health. It affects everything from your mood to your productivity to your immune system. Sweet dreams, everyone. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more life-changing tips and tricks.